Hi, this is Andrew from Sansom Watches, and I'm going to share something with you today that really fired me up, excited me that I haven't been in a little while. Wow. So this is a men's Rolex Presidential from the 1990s. And yeah, I used to sell them brand new. We used to get 30 off and 15 off for stainless steel. And you know, those days are long gone. Now you got to get on your hands and knees and beg the authorized dealer. But man, the guy that bought this loved his watch. He didn't just get a watch. This was way more to him than just a watch. So he didn't have very good eyes, and Rolex complimentarily actually put on these special black hands that I have never seen on a Rolex Presidential before. And man, you can see it. I get so many phone calls that, you know, as people age, they can't see the gold hands on the gold dial. Can you change the color of the dial? But man, Rolex did a great job. Look at this bracelet. Wow. This is not a repaired bracelet. This is the original, man. This guy just didn't wear it. I think he worshipped it, which is amazing. I mean, I like it when people wear their watches, but my God, when you see something special, this is it. When this came walking in the shop, man, there was no negotiation. I mean, my eyeballs popped out, you know, and man, it was over. I just, whatever, man. I just want to own this. You're not going to run into another one like this. It's just not going to happen. This is full box, papers, receipts, every little thing. Brochure from the 90s. I mean, this guy just saved every little thing. Absolutely as cool as can be. So if you want to see this thing in person, come on down and give me a call and we'll check it out. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.